Can you hear me now, Alisa? Alisa, can you hear me? Okay. I'm sorry for the technical issue. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Okay. So can you share your screen, please?
Okay. While you were gone, I did try to do it a different way. Wait.
And you managed?
I'm running it right now, actually.
Okay. So did you figure out what was the issue from your previous try?
I think so.
Okay, interesting. I
Okay,
still
I
cannot screen
managed.
your screen yet. Okay, but did you manage?
I think so.
Okay.
But I think I lost something in the middle.
Okay. I'm still waiting to see your screen. Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. What you did is excellent. This is the traditional way, but I would say that the way that you created previously also can still work, but possibly with little adjustment. So this is the traditional and best way. Okay, but so Alisa, can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So
Hello?
yeah, I can hear you now. What I want to say that yes, this is the traditional way to do this kind of comparison, and I recommend this. But again, programming is not just memorizing. So I would like you to know what was the issue with your previous code. Your previous code is excellent, and actually it is saving time.
Uh, yeah, I realized that it doesn't get the lowest number, and I did try using that in a different way, but when I tried, like, assigning the lowest number something first, it says that I can't do this. So I feel like in the end it was probably easier to just go with this.
Okay.
Actually, I want to try something.
Yes, what you are
Okay.
doing is correct.
Wait, what?
Okay. So, Alisa, just for you to know, okay. So, your voice is coming in and
Because
out, but
I wrote a
can you share with me,
oh,
please, what you are thinking
I
about?
think I forgot. Yeah, wait.
Do you think that?
Oh, hello?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Because actually to keep track of like the lowest number, I I did this. It
So
keeps a line
yes, but Alisa, one
of
thing
like the
to note.
lowest numbers so far. I guess I just want to check if like that works.
Okay, so actually, just also
I think because
because when
this is like as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
so Alisa, why you're stopping the share? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, wow. Hmm. Alisa,
Oh, hello.
yes, you totally disappeared. Okay, so are you able to still share your screen?
I think I got disconnected. My internet's not the best.
Okay, so you're not able, right?
Like even sorry, what?
You're not able to share your screen anymore. Hello?
I should be hello.
Yes,
I should be able to. Can
yes,
hello?
yes, you can. Give it a try.
Ah, I can. The thing is, my Replit is loading
Okay, yep,
because of
okay.
the internet. Wait. Okay. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, it works now. Uh, I just wanted to like try to see if they would like keep a record of the lowest number lah. Do
Yes,
you
but
mind if I change
yes,
like
but
the
please,
record here?
first, please change this, please. These two numbers, 2 and 2.
Hmm? Two? Oh yeah.
Okay.
Do you mind if I change from
Yes,
this
yes,
to
please,
people
please.
like
Change anything.
okay.
Yeah. So, of course, previously it wouldn't work if you have done that because you was only searching for two rows and 2 columns instead of 3. But I think now it should
Mm-hmm.
work. And the best thing that you have done here, that you started with this position. Okay.
Yeah.
Until yeah. Okay. We are not able to. So, Alisa, what is the secret if you would like to compare what you are doing here? Okay, so you managed to get one at the end also. If you change this back to one and one here, it will not get you the one here
Yeah.
because you was not searching. I
Mm-hmm.
think this whole area. You will end up by having
Yeah.
4. Okay, as a minimum.
Yeah. Yep. It was a careless mistake on my part.
No problem, no
I
problem, no worries. Just
forgot.
no again. So Alisa, I want to tell you that the secret. So again, I don't want you to discourage yourself from being creative. You are creative. I can say like that. This is the traditional way. What you was trying is correct,
Mm-hmm.
except that I want you to look here. Look, the secret is here actually. Um, when you wanted to compare inside the mass dot minimum, you used array row column and then array row plus one column plus one. But in fact, what you needed to do is that you needed to always compare lowest number to array row and column, not array row and column and then array row plus one column plus one. So this mass, the minimum,
Yeah.
when you would like to use it, you have two terms. You used before row and column array like that. And then you come here, you write row plus one, column plus one, right? This is what you did. So instead, if you write lowest num, compare it to array, row, and column, like what you are doing here, this will also give you the correct result. So your problem was only just putting the terms correctly. When you are comparing this, the comparison that you did, you are comparing each two, how to say, each two consecutive numbers for which one is the lowest, which one is the highest. But when you do that, you are not actually getting you are not getting the lowest of all the array. You're only comparing each two consecutive um, places in the array. But in what you do, what you did instead is that you need to take, for example, we take 9 as the lowest number, and then we keep comparing each number we find to the lowest. I think so. Do you recognize what is the difference between this? This is what you did before previous code.
Yeah. I actually, the thing is, I tried doing this, but I would have to initially assign lowest number of value, right?
Yes, always. This is always yes. Exactly. Yes.
Yeah. No, actually, I tried doing that. I got an error though because initially when I'm comparing, it would start with array 0 and 0, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's why when I started the comparison, it gave me an error where uh basically it just said that the lowest, like, because if I start with array 0 and 0, the row column would also start with 0 and 0. I think that's why they gave like an error because they were equal to each other instead of like the minimum value.
Mm, okay. Let me pass you a code. Just let me pass you a code, and please try to run it, um, so that you don't have to actually worry much. Um, so I would say I will pass you the code on WhatsApp so that it is slightly better formatted somehow. Uh, okay. So copy that code and please try to run it and don't remove your code. So your code should be fine to run. Just uh, put it under your code.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Did you see the code that I shared with
Yeah,
you?
I saw it. Wait, do I have? Okay, I have to copy and paste.
Yes, just copy and paste only.
Yeah, let me get it first.
So you can, the code I passed you using I and J, you can use row and column as usual, no problem. Oh yeah, okay, fine. Fine, what you're doing is fine, great. And please reassign again, copy line 15 and put it under, above your line 15, copy it, put it on line 24.
Line 15. Oh, okay.
Line 15, copy it.
Oh, wait.
Okay, good. And don't forget to do a print statement, yes, okay. Okay, Alisa, please don't forget to change the matrix to ARRY, your array name. This,
Oh.
yes. Okay, run again. You already changed it.
I'm checking my spelling as well.
So as you can see, that we are able to make both functions work. So the reason that I spent money here, sorry, not money, time here to explain to you is that you actually thinking correctly. You just need small touch here and there. So you have gone outside the traditional way. This is a traditional way. No more students will memorize that and use it. You are smart enough to use that, and I don't want you to discourage yourself from thinking outside the box. So this is correct, except that you just need to know how to use it correctly. So you always assigning a lowest number here. So when you compare, then the new how to say element from the different array position, you always need to compare it to your stored lowest number. That's it. That's what I want to say. Do you understand now what the difference between what you have done before and now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, acceptable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think now we are able to move to a new thing, new topic, please. Allow me to
Yeah.
share.
Okay.
So one of the important topics that we need to discuss actually is reading and writing files. And then, so yeah. I think you can see my screen now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Alisa, just now, when you design the for loop, you design it by putting from 0 to 2, because you know upfront what is the size of your 2D array. Am I right? Alisa, follow up with me, please.
Sorry. Sorry, again?
So when you design your for loop to loop through the matrix, you have to write for I from 0 to 2. 2, you get it from where? You get it because we define the array, your array, you define it 2 and 2, right? Am I right? So you take this 2, you put it here this way. And then when you do it for the column, you also do the same, which means that you say j to 0 from 0 to 2, and you base on that 2. Am I right? So you write it manually, but instead you actually there is a function that can help you do it automatically. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah.
So you are able to use the name of your array dot get upper bound, and you give it something. So you use upper bound instead of writing these 2. Alisa, focus with me, please.
Yeah.
So, okay, yeah, here, instead of using these 2, get upper bound, and we give it 0 to give me the row, and we give it 1 to give me the column. So this is the highest column position, and this is the highest row position. So instead of writing it at 2 and 2 this way, we use get upper bound function with the array name. It will give me what is the highest row, and this will give me the highest column number. So if I put here 3, I don't need to change my for loop. If I use array dot get upper bound 1, it will automatically get me the correct column, the highest column value. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Alisa,
Yes.
Alisa,
Yes. Got it. Let me write this down.
yes. 0 for row, 1 for column.
Yep. Okay, wait.
If you do that, you will not end up forgetting to adjust like you did just now.
Okay.
Okay, good. So, is there is other ways? Yes, but so here I get, there is another way to do the same. So there is another function that is called get length. It do exactly what the get upper bound do. So this is the alternative. If you can remember get upper bound, stick to it and don't need to change anything. No need to use other one. But this one, I will put it in the slides just in case you need it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, Alisa, the most important topic now so that I can give you um, exercises on that, I need to, oh, okay. So let me clean this. So text is an important topic here, and also the object-oriented programming. So we will complete that, but let me get the file handling first. this will help you in both paper 3 and paper 4. So let me see here. File handling. Okay. So I think you already have taken something like this in the pseudocode, but just as a refreshment, let me go through it with you. We have 3 possible ways to write or to work with a text file, only text file. Now later we'll talk about binary files and other type of file. If we're talking about text file, we are able to write to it, we are able to append to it, we are able to read from it. Do you know what's the difference between write and append?
I remember write and read. I don't remember append.
So append, it means that you're opening the file and you don't want to rewrite the content of the file. You just want to add to the end of the file. So if the file have already some contents inside, when you open it for appending, it means that you're opening it to add to it, not to delete whatever inside and rewrite it from start.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
again, if you want to write to a file in pseudocode, so open my file for write, and then design it in a way that, okay, you repeat until what you want to enter to the file is empty. So here you will say output, enter a line of text, and then take from the user an input. And then if the text line is not empty, so you will write whatever the user inputted here. So and then you will loop again as long as this is not empty. If it is empty, it will exit the repeat until loop, and then possibly also if you put an empty line here, it will actually close the handle. So when we open our file, we say open file name. No, sorry. You open, no, wait. That. So you open my file for write. Okay, so you open that file for writing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then if you would like to write to it, so you write file, and then you take the text that you already input and you pass it to the function that is called write file. But bear in mind, when you open a file, you must close that opening. If you do in programming opening and not closing, that will end up making your system hang after a few while of trying to open and close. So when there is a limited amount of something called file handles inside your system. If you consume it, you have to restart your PC to be able to run again. If you are using Rebuild, it's fine. If you're using the computer inside your exam, most probably you are not connected to the internet. So you will write it in a local program to your computer. So you have to make sure, not in the pseudocode, I'm talking about VP. A pseudocode does not have anything to, you just write it in a paper, so it will not do anything, but you will lose a mark if you don't use close file. Did you get from the spaghetti things that I have said to you? Did you catch anything?
Yeah, I caught most of it. Yes.
Okay. Do you know when you open a file that you have to close it here?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the file name. You open it this way and you close it this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to write to a file?
Uh, yes. That's the one part was questioning. What do they mean by input text ln? Is
And
that like, is it like a console read line thing or?
yes, exactly. This is a read exactly console read line, but again, this is pseudocode.
Yeah,
So
but
input
the
here,
text ln, the text ln, is it like the actual line that like it's?
so Lisa, sorry, we have to close immediately now.
Ah, okay.